God's grace is still writing your story. Isn't that beautiful to know that the grace of God is still writing your story? Never assume your current chapter is the end of your story. God specializes in bringing beauty out of broken places. He restores lost hope, broken hearts, weary minds, damaged faith, forgotten dreams. Even when life feels delayed, heaven is never late. The same God who opened seas, raised the dead, healed the broken, and restored the hopeless is still working today. His grace has not run out. His mercy has not expired. His promises still stand. Hold on to faith when life feels uncertain. Hold on to grace when you feel weak. Hold on to Jesus when everything else shakes. Because the God who began a good work in you will remain faithful to complete it. Let us therefore come boldly unto the throne of grace, that we may obtain mercy and find grace to help in time of need. Thank you so much for listening. I hope this was a blessing to you. God bless you.